Welcome, fellow sapiens, to a journey of self-mastery and success for a person living in the modern world. Today, we are diving into an important and often misunderstood topic: how to attract a girl who isn't interested in you. This isn't just about playing games or trying to win her over. It's about self-improvement, becoming your best self, and making her see you in a new light. So, if you are ready to transform and turn things around, stick around till the end. Number 1. Stay in sight, dominate her mind. One of the biggest misconceptions people have when trying to attract someone is thinking that absence makes the heart grow fonder. In reality, being present, not just physically but also digitally, is crucial. Think of it like marketing. Companies that advertise more get more attention, and the same principle applies here. The more she sees you, the more you'll naturally occupy space in her thoughts. But here's the key: you can't just show up and expect results. You need to show up consistently, as a version of yourself that is constantly improving. Every time she sees you, whether in person or online, she needs to see someone who is getting better. Be active on social media. Share your achievements, hobbies, workouts, or creative projects. Let her witness your growth firsthand. The more she sees you working hard and progressing, the more she'll start associating you with success and ambition. You become someone worth noticing. Number 2. Looking your best, outshine everyone around you. It's no secret that physical attraction plays a significant role in initial attraction. But here's the catch: looking good isn't enough. You need to look the best in her world. You are not just competing with other guys, you are competing with the standards she holds, based on the people she surrounds herself with. This means stepping up your game in how you dress, groom, and present yourself. Dress sharp, but more importantly, dress in a way that stands out. Look better than her usual circle of friends. Be the best version of yourself, and don't just settle for looking good enough. When you present yourself as the best in the room, you'll command attention without even trying. She will notice, and so will everyone else around her. Number 3. Confuse her, the power of mystery. Most people, when they like someone, tend to make it obvious. But what if you didn't? What if you left her guessing? Confusion can be a powerful tool in attraction. Don't verbally confess your feelings. Instead, show subtle signs that you might be interested, but don't make it clear. This creates a sense of intrigue, making her wonder, does he like me? Why hasn't he said anything? By mirroring her actions, if she texts you back slowly, do the same. If she seems distant, pull back a little. You are giving her just enough attention to keep her on her toes. This will build an obsession in her mind. The curiosity and uncertainty will make her think about you more often, simply because humans are wired to resolve ambiguity. The more she's trying to figure you out, the more she's thinking about you. Number 4. Focus on yourself. Self-improvement is key. This point might be the most important. If she wasn't initially interested in you, there's a reason for that. Instead of obsessing over why she doesn't like you, use that energy to focus on yourself. Hit the gym, work on your personal goals, develop your career, and build your self-worth. You need to become someone worth dating. Level up in all areas of your life, physically, mentally, financially. By the time you've transformed into this better version of yourself, you might not even care if she's still interested. The beauty of self-improvement is that it not only changes how others see you, but it also changes how you see yourself. When you are confident in who you are and what you bring to the table, women will naturally be drawn to you, and the original girl might start to wonder what she missed. Number 5. Give her attention, but only if you want to. Here's the fun part. Once you've worked on yourself, you are no longer chasing her. You are in a position to decide if you even want her attention anymore. Now that you've leveled up, you are in control. When she sees the new and improved you, she'll likely want your attention, but it's now your choice whether or not to give it. This shift in power dynamics is essential. You are no longer the guy begging for her affection. You are the guy who gets to choose if he wants her in his life. This newfound confidence and indifference will only make you more attractive, because women are often drawn to men who aren't desperate for their validation. Before we go over to the next tip on how to attract a girl who is not interested, please mind giving this video a like, as it boosts its reach, subscribing to this channel, and turning on the notification bell to not miss out on more such informative videos on how to be a better sapien. Anyways, moving on. Number 6. Be mysterious. Keep some secrets. Have you ever noticed that the people we are most attracted to are often the ones we don't know everything about? That's because mystery sparks curiosity, and curiosity leads to attraction. If you reveal every detail about your life too soon, there's nothing left for her to discover. Instead, keep some parts of your life private. Let her wonder about your past, your passions, and your future plans. Share things about yourself in bits and pieces, but never everything at once. This air of mystery will keep her engaged and make her want to know more. You become more intriguing simply by holding back. Number 7. Show confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities anyone can have. But real confidence isn't about being loud or bragging. It's about knowing your worth and walking into any room with self-assurance. Whether you are in a group or by yourself, carry yourself with pride. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak with purpose. When you exude confidence, it naturally draws people to you. Even if she wasn't interested in you at first, confidence can change her perception. It's a silent, powerful way of saying, "I know my value," and that's incredibly attractive. Number 8. Be unpredictable. Keep her guessing. Predictability can kill attraction. If she always knows what you are going to do next, there's no excitement. Keep things fresh by being a little unpredictable. That doesn't mean being erratic, but rather surprising her with spontaneous plans or changing up your routine. Maybe you suddenly invite her to a fun activity she wouldn't expect from you, or you don't text back right away like you usually do. The goal is to keep her wondering what your next move will be, which keeps things exciting and interesting. Number 9. Make her laugh. Humor is the bridge. Humor is often underestimated, but it's one of the quickest ways to build a connection. If you can make her laugh, you've already won half the battle. Laughter creates a bond, and it makes you more approachable. Plus, humor shows intelligence and creativity, which are attractive qualities in themselves. It's not about being a comedian, but knowing how to lighten the mood and not taking everything too seriously. When she's laughing with you, she's also letting her guard down, which opens the door for deeper attraction. Number 10. Show kindness. Genuine kindness goes a long way. Finally, be genuinely kind. Not just to her, but to everyone around you. People notice how you treat others, and genuine kindness is rare. It shows emotional intelligence and a sense of maturity. When you are consistently kind and considerate, it leaves a lasting positive impression. The key is to be kind, without expecting anything in return. This type of authenticity shines through, and makes you stand out in a world where many people are only kind to get something in return. Over time, she will begin to associate you with warmth, compassion, and reliability, all qualities of someone worth pursuing. And there you have it, guys, a step-by-step guide to attracting a girl who may not have been interested in you initially. Remember, it's not just about getting her attention, but improving yourself along the way. Attraction comes naturally when you are confident, self-assured, and constantly working on being the best version of you. If you found this video enlightening and want to be a better sapien, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content on personal development, philosophy, and the pursuit of a meaningful life, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Be sure to leave any other valuable suggestions you might have in the comments below for your fellow sapiens, and mention which of the above tip did you find the most useful. Also, be sure to check out these other videos on our channel that will help you be a better sapien. Until next time, keep striving daily towards being a better sapien.